We welcome you to a video by abronexports. This is density hydrometer, which is at 15 degree and short range. It is 850. You can see this 850. You can see the density hydrometer 850 to about 850, 800 to 850 at 15 degree. This is ISI mark. These are the ISI. We have got these different hydrometers are available. 600 to 650, 650 to 700, 750 to 800, about 900 to 950. This one is 700 to 750, 950 to 1000. We have got 950 to, and this one is up to 800 to 850. This one is 800. This is all ISI marked, and this scale is there. It is having scale of short scale, which is as per the requirement, and this one is for these are the weights, counterweights, and when you have to use it, put the solution inside and then it has to float, and whatever is the reading. So different hydrometer density, specific gravity hydrometers, density hydrometers are there, and similar is the specific gravity hydrometer. You can buy these from us, and our email is abron01@gmail.com, abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number 89992222049. Visit the website, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.